Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today we're going to talk about silver and gold, but just mainly silver. And I think that looks like a Bitcoin. Anyway, I think during an inflation recession period, which we're going to have over the next 2 to 3 months, I think silver is going to rise. And so that's why I'm going to talk about it today. The Stock Planner channel is an educational channel. We're swing traders. We're trying to capture the tops and bottoms and the meat between it, or trend, and make some money. We're not offering advice. You're a better trader than I am. So let's get started. Well, is gold and silver affected by inflation? Doing a Google search. Gold and silver are not affected by inflation. What do you mean? When inflation happens, you have to pay more for gold, so the price goes up. So I guess in a way, it's an increasing asset, even though maybe the accessibility in the amount of gold hasn't changed much. Does inflation make silver go up? It says it's resistant to inflation. In fact, that again, that when inflation does happen, it costs you more to buy gold and silver, so the price goes up. Looking at the chart for silver on the daily, silver is going down. And over here, I said silver was going to go up over the next 2 or 3 months. That's what I'm saying today too. So, and was I wrong? So we have almost a double bottom here. That's optimistic. This guy over in StockTwits thinks that silver might have bottomed. Don't look at this picture. We're real traders here. We're not fooling around. But it does remind me of the time I was in the military. I had to go check out some CD bars, and with the hopes that I would protect the rest of the troops. I had to do it for the troops. That's why I do this for you as well. Double bottom looks good. It has nothing to do with that picture. Well, this is the daily. Let's look at the weekly to see if it looks any better on the weekly. As I said before, we're swing traders. We're trying to get these tops and bottoms and get the trend in between it. And there seems to be a bottom there. And there's that other bottom that other guy was talking about over in StockTwits. Now you have to ask yourself, is it going up or down? And I said it was going up from here, and it went down. This is the weekly. Each bar is a weekly price action. This is the MACD. It's saying it's going down. The stochastic and the RSI both are saying going down, but it's almost in this oversold position for the RSI and the stochastic. This week and last week, the market has been acting very funny. And I am making this play not based on any indicator, just based on the feeling that our economy for the next 2 to 3 months is going to be in trouble. Zooming out to the daily again. If you believe in the double bottom, is this going to go up from here or down? If I took a trade today for the next few months, March or April, and at least getting to back to where I was at, this is what the trade would look like. Let's see if we can go make a trade with that aspect in mind. Looking at OptionStrat, which is a free tool, a simulation tool. We want to go long, which is a bull put spread in this case. You can do all these different strategies. You have to learn them. But in this case, it's a simple strategy. You want to do a bull put spread for credit to go long. We are selling slightly in the money with the hopes that it will exceed, the price will go past $21. And we're selling and buying a protected put at 20 and 21, and it costs us, the margin, it doesn't cost us anything because we're getting $51. But the amount of margin that we have to put on hold is $100. And so this is about a 50-50 trade over February. And I got to stay above 20.49. Remember that number, 20.49. We could do this trade for $100. Looking at the table, and hopefully it'll go around 12 or 15%. And if it goes up $2 or $3, you can take your profit at any one time, as long as it stays above 20.49. If it stays above 20.49, you get a little something, and above 20.90, you'll get around $51. You can take your profit any time along the way here. This has not been back tested. This is again based on what I think the market conditions are. It has nothing to do with the technical indicators. I didn't get a signal for this. I just think gold and silver is going to go up over the next 3 or 4 months. That's my premise. and I'm taking action on the premise. 2049, back to the trading view. It's February, somewhere in there. 2049 is right in here. We'll stay above that for this period of time. This is a very simple trade. I think it will. Double bottom, very interesting. What do you think of this trade? Leave your comments below. Like and subscribe. We could use your likes and subscribes. My trading has gotten better. I have a lot of shorts on. That's causing some pain because I put these shorts last month, but most of them expire in the January, February timeframe. Feeling some pain right now, but I think the market is going to go down over these next 2 or 3 months. Well, I think we're in some pain, so I'm going to persevere. Definitely in some pain on my earlier trade on silver. Just placed another one today to go long. In fact, I took 5 contracts on silver to get to my 500. I usually bet $500 at a time. I don't usually do $100 because I only want to trade about 12 different instruments, and I trade in 500 blocks. So I have 500 here and 500 here. So right now I have $1,000 invested in silver. Anyway, do your own due diligence, get back to work. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip.